Happy Friday, everybody. I wouldn't normally wish you a happy Friday, but of course this is a special Friday. This is the Friday the entire world goes absolutely bonkers with the money that has been rattling around in their pockets. They can now spend it on the thing that they've been saving for, because you get big savings everywhere, and the Overland Workshop is no exception. So 30% off. The way the Overland Workshop is this. At the moment, there are 9 active courses. So if you buy a subscription, you get all 9. The price every 2 or so years goes up by a very small amount, but if you are a regular subscriber, whatever you paid for your first subscription is what you pay in perpetuity. It'll never go up. The current courses are fitting and kitting an Overlander, Overland operations, which is how many courses in that? 33 separate lectures. Choosing a four-wheel drive, a whole lot of new material that I actually added this year on getting your choice of your four-wheel drive. If you haven't got one yet, or you're thinking about a new one, mission first, and I'll help you with that. It's not brand-centric, it's mission-centric. Actually, the entire, all of Overland Workshop is not too brand-centric. It's all about your experience, what you're trying to achieve. Reconditioning an older four-wheel drive for touring. Paul Marsh's course, Maintenance and Preparation of an Overlander. Self-driving in Southern Africa. Everything you need to know. You will not find a more comprehensive place on earth for self-driving in Southern Africa. Heine Klarman's course, DC wiring and electrical installations, a step-by-step guide. If you want to do your own installation in your own vehicle, done. Heine is an outstanding teacher. Preparing, storing, and using a 365-day Nomad's Pantry. That's Gwyn's course. Cut to Gwyn.
One of the best parts about being able to pressure can and dehydrate is that you can put food into your pantry for your long-term storage. Even better, you can put meals in a jar. Here I've got some beef stew ready to go. All it needs to be is heated up. I've got some chicken. I can put this in a sauce, or I could add some mayonnaise, put it on a sandwich, ready to go. Pasta sauce. I've got dehydrated veg. This is spinach, potato, leeks. These are fantastic staples to have on your pantry shelf. If you want to learn how to do this kind of pressure canning and dehydrating, I've got such good news for you. My pressure canning and dehydrating course is available now. And even better, it is part of my Black Friday through to Cyber Monday weekend. You can get the course for 30% off.
Next year, I'm adding a series of courses on Overland storytelling, including solo shot storytelling. So a lot of you will want to tell your stories, your Overland stories, but you're on your own. You're doing all the work yourself, or maybe occasionally you'll have one person helping you. You're certainly not going to have a crew. So most video and film courses are very kind of Hollywood centric. It's a different ball game altogether, but this is us with consumer cameras telling wonderful stories. And another course I have just started doing now is managing your energy when overland touring or off-grid. The Overland Workshop has now expanded from pure overland travel to off-grid living. And of course, Gwyn's course about food preparation, storage, long-term storage, etc. fits in that genre very, very well. 30% off today, Friday, through to the end of Monday on the overland-workshop.com. Or go straight into the description now, click the link, or use the coupon code Black Friday Sale, 30% off.